DJI Mini 5 Pro, specs, release date, price, and more. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones from DJI, continuing the legacy of the Mini series. Known for its portability and accessibility, the Mini series remains a favorite among drone enthusiasts, particularly those interested in aerial photography. This video explores the Mini 5 Pro's rumored features, potential release date, and expected upgrades. Key features and expectations. 1. Camera upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a larger sensor, potentially a 1-inch sensor, compared to the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would improve image quality, offering sharper details and better performance in low-light conditions, making it ideal for landscape photography. While a resolution boost is less likely, enhancements in dynamic range and clarity are anticipated. 2. Weight and portability. Maintaining the sub-250g weight class is crucial for the Mini series as it exempts users in the US from requiring an FAA license. DJI faces challenges in incorporating substantial upgrades while adhering to this weight limit. 3. AI tracking and 5G connectivity. Improved AI tracking could enhance the drone's ability to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles, making it more versatile for action-oriented videography. The inclusion of 5G connectivity could offer smoother real-time video transmissions and better control, appealing to professional users. 4. Battery life. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain or slightly improve the Mini 4 Pro's 40-minute flight time without compromising the lightweight design.